You love me. We are happy family. Hi everybody. Welcome to Advaith's Kitchenette. Today I am going to make protein bar. Let's get started. Add cashews, almonds, pista, walnuts, grind it coarsely and transfer it in the bowl. Now add dates. Grind into a paste. Mix with the nuts powder. Mix well with hand until it becomes a thick dough. Place butter paper on a board. Transfer the mixture to the board. Roll to medium thickness. And cut into bars. You can just like that have it or else coat it with desiccated coconut. Healthy protein bar is ready. Time to taste. Wow! I love this protein bar. Try this recipe at your home. See you with the next recipe. And the last thing which I want to say, kids, you like this protein bar a lot.